Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing the Sony SRS-XP700 X Series wireless portable Bluetooth karaoke party speaker. I've spent time looking through the internet, checking specs, user impressions, pro reviews, and real-world experiences, and in this video I'm going to give you an honest take on whether this speaker is worth buying or not. Don't forget to hit the link below for the best price. Right out of the gate, the SRS-XP700 makes a strong first impression. This thing isn't a bookshelf speaker. It's built like a party machine. With a solid black finish and a rugged build, it feels like something you'd bring to backyard gatherings, road trips, beach days, or just set up in your living room when you want sound that fills the space. It's splash resistant with IPX4, which means a little rain or a few splashes won't kill the vibe. Perfect if you're around pools or outdoor areas. Let's talk about what matters most: sound performance. This speaker delivers big audio. The bass is deep and punchy thanks to Sony's X-balanced speaker units and passive radiators, and the mids and highs are clear enough that vocals and melodies don't get buried under the low end. Whether you're playing pop, hip-hop, EDM, or rock, the sound feels lively and engaging. It's the kind of speaker that makes people turn their heads when the beat drops, but it doesn't lose clarity when you crank the volume. Something that's especially noticeable during gatherings. One of the coolest things about the XP700 is how it handles space. This speaker is loud, like, fill a big room or backyard party, loud, without sounding muddy or distorted. Sony's sound tuning really shines here, and stereo separation feels much wider than you'd expect for a single portable unit. And if you do have more than one, you can pair them to get even bigger, more immersive sound. Battery life is also worth talking about. Sony rates it up to 25 hours, and in most real-world use that holds up pretty well. You can go a whole party day without worrying about recharging, and if you're using it casually at home, you might even forget when you last charged it because it just keeps going. Connectivity is simple and flexible thanks to Bluetooth pairing, and Sony also makes it easy to connect multiple devices so friends can take turns DJing. There's USB-A for playback from drives, and even microphone and guitar inputs, which is awesome if you want to take karaoke or jam sessions up a level. The built-in party lights are another fun touch. They pulse and change with the music, adding that extra vibe to your setup without needing extra gear. Of course, nothing is perfect. While the XP700 is great for lively music and parties, if you're an audiophile after critical listening with max detail at low volumes, this still feels like a party speaker first and a hi-fi speaker second. Also, it's a big unit, so it's not something you'll slip into a backpack easily. It's meant to stand in one spot and deliver. After going through online impressions, user feedback, and official specs, my conclusion is that the Sony SRS-XP700 X Series wireless portable speaker delivers exactly what it promises: loud, punchy, and joyful sound that's built for fun. The combination of deep bass, high volume capability, long battery life, splash resistance, and added party features like lights and mic inputs makes it a versatile choice for almost any scenario where great sound and energy matter more than studio-perfect detail. So, should you buy it? If you want a powerful Bluetooth party speaker with strong bass, long battery life, splash resistance, and features that hype up gatherings, then yes, this is definitely worth buying. It's a great choice for social events, outdoor hangs, or anytime you want sound that moves the room and keeps the vibe going all day. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stick around for more honest and helpful tech breakdowns. I'll see you in the next one.